OriginOS icon on any Samsung One UI. Search and install Find Lock. Install Theme Park plugin. Return Play Store. Search and install OriginOS icon pack. Return Theme Park app. Icon tab. Create new. Tap Icon pack. Select OriginOS icon. Tap to edit more icon. Save icon pack. Enter any word. Select new icon pack created. Apply on your Galaxy. Now, you have OriginOS icon pack on your phone. This icon, simple and clean. Open Theme Park and unapply icon to return default. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.